Thibitari munene wa Nyahururu kuretwo kiamukira arwaru kuma icigo itiganite cia Laikipia na kaunti ingi mariganetie undu uria urabatara ugaciru mukinyaniru wa motungata ma urigiti. Gukiri uguo urugamiriri wa thibitari ino ni uruguritie mubango wa miaka 5 uria utanyitwo kuheana mwerekera mwega wa ukinyaniria wa motungata maya.
In terms of leadership and governance, we have had a hospital board which is quite active, very highly specialized, and they have given us a lot of oversight and a lot of advice. And sometimes when you are in your house, there are obvious things that you don't see, but when you get an external eye from out, they will come and see obvious things that you didn't see. So they have been very instrumental.
As we launch the 2024-2029 strategic plan, it is clear that our journey towards achieving level 5 status is ambitious but achievable. This strategic plan focuses on 7 key pillars which has been alluded to in terms of infrastructure, workforce development, health financing, technology, access and leadership.
Nyahururu County Referral Hospital, as it stands today, is an important county referral hospital, but it is clear that we must work together to elevate it and ensure that it meets the full scope of its mandate during this period.
Gavana wa Laikipia Joshua Irungu uria humbite riri mihango eno eranire wirutiri wa thirikari mihango-ini wa kugaciria motungata ma urigiti mathibitari-ini ma muingi. Mubango uyu ni uheanite mwerekera wa kuhotithia thibitari uyu kuongerera ungania wa kigina kiayo kiumbe kiria gikumuhotithia gukinyaniria motungata ngurani ma urigiti utekuruthiria kunyitwo guoko ni thirikari.
Hoping if you do that we'll be also be able to raise quite a bit of revenue, because we are seeing like the theater is one of the low-lying fruits we need to harvest to generate a lot of revenue for the hospital.
The board has prioritized sound financial management by overseeing budgetary planning, ensuring prudent allocation of resources, and exploring avenues for revenue generation.
Focus on diversifying funding sources, improving financial management, and increasing government capitation reflects our commitment to ensuring that Nyahururu County Referral Hospital becomes financially self-sustaining.
Mzuri tuambie watu wetu wakate card. You sometimes sisi wote tukikuja hapa kuna weva kweli hata ile kitu kidogo hospitali inaokota itafanya kazi.
Thini wa mubango uyu thengia gukinyaniria motungata ma urigiti, thibitari uyu uri na mubango wa kuongerera ngari cia gukua arwaru, kuongerera wadi ingi ya arwaru, ceceni ya ungania wa thakame, kugura mashini cia CT scan gatagati ka tabarira ingi. Ngiribota Inooro TV kuma tauni ya Nyahururu, guku ni kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, njitagwo Peter Mwangi.